how to access your course on Trainer Central. Welcome learners, this quick guide will walk you through accessing your course on Trainer Central via our website. First things first, you'll receive an invite email from us. Keep an eye out for it in your inbox. Once you get that email, simply click the Sign Up button. This will take you directly to a new login page. You'll notice that some of your basic details are automatically filled in for you on this page. Super convenient. All you need to do is set your password. Choose something secure and make sure you remember it. Once your password is set, click Sign Up, and you're good to go. You're now in your course. It will take some time to load depending on your internet connection. Now click on Access Course. You will be navigated to your course. This is your course page. Click on it, then click Continue. You will go to your assigned course page. Now you can see your batch details like number of classes, course name, and the percentage of classes you're completed on the front page. On the left side, you'll see a list of your classes, allowing you to easily navigate to the one you need. Once you entered the class, if you want to go batch, click on the Escape button on the right top. On the right side, you'll find everything related to your lessons, your recorded classes, live classes, class materials, and more. Looking to move forward, the next button at the top right will take you directly to your next class. And if you ever need to return to your main course dashboard, just click the Access My Course button at the very top, where you will be directly navigated to your course. If you are trying to attend live classes, it will be shown on your right side, and you will be allowed to attend the class once your trainer starts the live session. Until then, have patience and wait in the waiting room. Thank you for watching. We hope this helps you get started. If you encounter any difficulties, please don't hesitate to contact our Chelsea AiCademy team.